Are you thinking about downsizing, but you don't know where to start? Stay tuned because I'm going to give you my step-by-step instructions on how to downsize. Hey guys, it's Peggy Yee here with Frankly Realtors, and I'm a local real estate agent here in Tysons Corner. And on this channel, I bring you the best advice on buying, selling, and living in Tysons Corner. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, let's talk about downsizing. So this is a topic that I talk about regularly at my downsizing seminar here in Northern Virginia. So I'm going to put a link down to my website where you can find out where I'm going to be speaking about downsizing, home selling, and a variety of real estate topics here in Northern Virginia. So I would love to meet you guys, and I can answer any questions for you in person as well. So I'll have that link below. So as part of downsizing, I have put together a checklist of what to do step by step for downsizing, and then some resources locally on places to help you actually do the downsizing. So that's the first step, is just to know that you're not alone. There's many resources that can help you with this whole process. Now, step by step. So number one, the first step is to figure out where you're going to be downsizing to, because you're obviously going to need to know how much space you have and whether or not your couch, your furniture, all of that stuff is going to actually fit into that new space. If it's not going to fit, it's a pretty easy decision that you're going to have to get rid of it. So first you want to figure out, at least a general idea of where you're moving to and how much space you're going to have. So once you have that, then I have my 5-step system for downsizing. So this is to take all of the stuff that you have and you put it into 5 different buckets. Now the first bucket is the keep bucket. Those are things that you use every day, you don't want to get rid of, that you know that you're going to keep and it's going to go with you to the next place. So there's the keep bucket. Then the second bucket is the sell bucket. So this is stuff that could be valuable that you don't just want to donate or give away, but you could potentially sell it for money. The challenge is for a lot of people is they don't know if, that china or that, figurine or, the dishes are valuable or not. So one quick way to at least get a gauge of how much something could be worth is to look on eBay. If you can look on eBay and see, type in, try to find a similar item, you can kind of see how much those things are worth. So check out eBay to see if you can find something similar. That'll give you a good sense of what your item might be worth. Now, if it's not worth anything, then another option is to give it away or to friends or family. So these could be heirloom items that have been in your family that you're passing down to the kids, or maybe your aunt wanted something that she had always wanted, or you're saving something for for your daughter. So these are things that that you're not going to donate yet, but just giving away to friends and family. Now with that, I just want to caution you that even though you want to give it to somebody, that person may not want it in their house. So just keep that in mind. You offer it, but if they don't want it, don't be offended if they don't want your stuff in their house. So now if you don't want to keep it, you can't sell it, and the person doesn't want it, then the next step is to donate it. And on my list of resources here, I have several places where you can donate your items. Now the key here is to remember that not all places will accept all things. So you kind of have to call ahead and ask them, oh, will you accept a bed? Will you accept these dressers? In what condition will you accept these dressers? A lot of places now don't even accept old TVs unless they're a flat screen. So you got to make sure that they accept the things that you're wanting to donate. So that's the next step, is to donate. And then finally, the last step, if you can't do any of those 4 categories and you tried, the last step is to trash it. And that's, taking it to the dump, or, there's a lot of special pickup days in Fairfax County and Arlington County that you can arrange for, larger items to be picked up at your house to take to the dump. So those are my 5 categories. So you've got keep, you've got sell, give away to friends and family, donate, or trash. Now, that's just an overview of my process for downsizing and kind of doing it step by step. If you guys are interested in seeing my checklist with more detailed instructions, as well as the list of local resources, feel free to look at the link below. I'm going to post a link to get that and to be able to download that. So if you guys have any questions about downsizing, feel free to reach out. If you're looking to buy or sell, I'd be happy to help you as well. Thanks.